Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 24th of March 2014 market review. As you can see, the Americans Friday closed a bit negative. The Dow was 28 points down, Nasdaq was 42 points down, and the S&P 500 minus 5 points down. Let's go and look at this Dow on 28 minus point closeout. As you can see, let me go back to this level here, 16,302 points. Currently just above this first level of 16,298. Currently trading between the green and this red line. This is resistance, that is support. They're trading a bit of a sideways pattern. Need to see in the next few days how the market will react. Bouncing on the red line on the top or starting testing this green line here. Very important, do you see these lows here? Those lows are about 16,100 points. Please keep a close eye on this. If the share index does come down and breaks it down, it will confirm to break down lower to 16,000 points. Otherwise, it could still trade here above this red line here in the short term. Let's go and look at the expectations. The expectations for the day in the east, they're a bit positive this morning. And we can actually expect a bit of a positiveness in our market in the opening as well in early trade. So let's keep a track on it. First share to look at is Sasol or SOL. Blue line is the share price. Line A and line B will be very important. Line A and line B is at a level of 565. This holds a very important key at this time. Would the share break this 565 level downwards, this upward channel will be changing to the bottom. As you can see, there's a bit of a double top there as well, but first it needs to break this 565 level. If it breaks it downwards, there could be opportunity for this share to come down. The levels will be 564, 563.42, 562.76, almost to a low of 554. If you do want to trade it down from these levels of 565, please take note to keep a stop loss level of 584.75 on this specific share as a stop loss level. Another share to look at is called Barclays Bank, which is going to look at this big sell-off in November, December, sideways trading that happened here December to February, a nice recovering that happened here basically. As you can see, it was starting to complete this gap. This is a gap that happened, so we need to see this line A. Keep an eye on line A. Line A will be approximately 141.68. The question here is, if the share would come down and break this line A, it could come physically down to a level of 141.50, 140.79, 139.10, 138.34. That is when it will come physically down. Keep in mind to leave your stop loss level at a price of 144.575. Would this not continue to go further up in this channel at this time. Let's go and look at a few indexes quickly here. This is the Indy, that's the Dow Jones, but we want to go to the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. As you can see, there was a bit of a downward channel forming here. The big question still in the short term will be, if it can break this top here, or this red line here, 42,505, 42,505 points, then you could get a upward momentum happening in the share. Otherwise, you can go and test this and still break down. So the expectation for today is a bit of a upward swing in this downward channel. The current low to look at is 41,594. If it breaks this downward channel will physically go further down in the short term. This blue line here is also confirming on the 61% and this red line, the 89 moving average, also confirms here. If this level has been broken, there could be more downside here. But in the short term, this 41,594 needs to be broken. It's currently trading at 41,885 points. If it wants to rally upwards, 42,505 points needs to be broken. Let's go and look at a few telecommunication shares. MTN, beautiful channel, breaking up as we expected. The 211 was broken, currently trading at 213.40. Next high is these levels here. Highest high is 216.75. Indicators are quite toppish. As you can see, it wants to come a bit down. We need to see if there's going to be a profit taking very soon for the share to get down. If it breaks this line here, this level here, that is support. You can see there was a few bounces. If it breaks it down, your next support will be about 207.45, but 211 needs to be broken to go to about 207.45. Vodacom, almost the same. Beautiful channel breaking upwards here. Go back to this 150 rand levels here. Beautiful upward channel. The current low level here is about 123, 124. So keep it close out, but this share is still running up, positive. Let's look at this indicators here quickly. Bit toppish at this moment, means it's very high. Stochastics is very high. RSI is very high. So if you've missed this opportunity, you've missed it. Let's go and look at some retailers. ShopRite is one example. That's the breakdown in this black channel here. Sunny, the red and green line shows a positive channel. The high to break currently is about 153. Shares trading at 148.87. The low here is about 146, 147. If you can continue bouncing here, bouncing up, we could see if you can break this 89-day moving average to go a bit higher. Just take note, retailers did well so far, nice recovering happening. Let's go and look at Woolies. Also a nice pattern. I'm just going to make this a black channel quickly here. Look at this nice recovering that happened on Woolies here. Beautiful. The next high here will be approximately about 70 bucks, currently trading at 69.20. It's trading above the green line, that's positive, above the red line, that's positive, above the purple line, and these are 21.89, 200. Very, very positive in the short term. Indicators will show it's a bit toppish at this moment, but look at this indicator. These are the channels that's actually showing you. This lows and highs on the top of the indicator, William percentage, shows there's a positive channel happening here. That's excellent to watch. Tells you actually there's a bit of upside swing still due in this share, and my expectation is just due above the 70 bucks levels. Let's see if we can actually go further on here. Let's go to some of the banking shares. BGA, that is Barclays Bank, it was discussed in the newsletter. As you can see in this positive channel, still going upwards, above the green, above the red, above the purple. Look at this green and red line, that's the 21.89 bouncing upwards and across. That shows positiveness in this specific share. Let's go and look at Standard Bank. Standard Bank is currently struggling after it came to this high here. There's still in the green, between the green and the red line, some positiveness here above the green moving average, the 21 days. Also positive, this share breaks 125.54, there could be downward side here. Imperial did bounce up the last day or two in trading in this negative channel. It needs to break this 169, 170 if you want to see it continue back to 173 in the short term. Discovery, still sideways, no action here. A lot of uncertainty trading between the red and the green moving averages. That shows you a lot of sideways. At a time, this green line or the red line needs to be broken for better direction on this specific trade. So keep a close eye on this shape in the short term. Otherwise, enjoy your trading, and let's see how this Monday plays out. Remember, by Thursday we will get our Reserve Bank announcement about interest rates. Will it go up or down? There's speculation in this moment it will not go up, but there's other speculation that says through the course of the year we could actually see another 2 hikes happening on 50 basis points in the short future. Thank you.